back to another episode of Quick Clean Eats. Today, we're going to take what you learned in episode 1, which was the fresh guacamole, and we're going to take it and use it to create a new dish. Right now, we have Cinco de Mayo approaching us in a month or so. We love the tacos. So what we're going to do is introduce you to our blackened shrimp tacos, which are really popular here, which is very easy and very light to make. So first, we're going to start with making the salad for the tacos. What I got here is a jicama. A jicama is it almost tastes like an apple. So it's a real nice crunchy taste, really fresh. There's two ways to peel it, with a knife or with a peeler. We're going to use a knife to try to go a little bit faster. So all you do is follow the shape of the jicama all the way down. You turn it over, follow. That's it. So then you just push your stuff to the side. When you're used to working faster, you have to always just keep on going. So what I'm going to do is take some slices. Then I'm going to take the jicama, stack it, just like this. I'm going to take this much, just put it in my bowl. Set aside the rest. Like I said before, we don't throw anything away. The rest you can use for another salad or whatever you want. Next, we're going to take a red bell pepper. I'm going to show you the quickest way to cut a red bell pepper. What I like to do is start off, take the top, take the bottom, take down the sides, take out the heart. So then, what I like to do is take just one piece, because it's all I need. Put it in my bowl. Now we got one of my personal favorites, a mango. This one, I don't like cutting it or peeling it with a knife because I lose too much of the meat. So what I do is just take my time and peel it. Once I'm already halfway peeled, because I only want a little bit of it, so I leave the peel on the rest so it doesn't go bad. I take my slices. Again, I stack them as nice as possible to get your cuts precise. There's your mango. Now, we take our mesclun mix. You can get this at the store anywhere you want. It's just a basic baby green mix. We add a little salt, kosher salt. You can add any dressing you want. We like to use honey lime. In a new video, I'll show you how to make the honey lime dressing. In this video, for the purpose, we're just going to mix it. So you set that aside. That's your salad. Next, we're going to take our shrimp. These are 1620 Mexican whites. They're already peeled and deveined, so all you got is the tail on them. So you're going to take the tail off. Take a new knife, butterfly. Take a little olive oil, a little kosher salt, and a little blackening. This is the blackening we use. All you need is just a little bit. Now we get our pan ready. We always cook with olive oil here, just because it has a higher burn rate. Once your pan is hot, the way you can tell, especially with shrimp, is you want it to get to a smoking point. The smoking point ensures that we sear and seal in all the juices of the shrimp. So So it's still getting hot. You can tell by the oil not moving too much, and there's no smoke at all. A little bit more. You can throw them in now. You can hear the little sizzle. It tells you you're about right. I'm going to saute them real quick. In the meantime, we're going to take some regular corn tortillas and heat them up on the grill behind us. What I'm doing is heating up the tortillas behind us and cooking the shrimp at the same time. What we're trying to ensure is that everything comes out nice and hot and nice and fresh. So your shrimp are about halfway cooked. But shrimp, always be careful not to overcook them because they become really tough. We're going to get our lime ready for finishing the shrimp. I always like to finish seafood with a little lime or lemon juice. The shrimp are almost there. Your tortillas are almost there. Tortillas are done. Now what we're going to take is a little shallot, garlic, lime juice, saute that up. Right about there. Turn off the heat. We start assembling our tacos. So what we're going to do is, you lay out your 3 corn tortillas on the bottom, put a nice serving of guacamole, smear. Take our shrimp, put about 4 each one. One gets one extra one. Make sure you take some of your pan drippings. That's where all the flavor is at. We're going to take the salad we mixed. Just put it on top like that. Simple. Like that. Then we're going to serve it in our 3 compartments. And there you have it, blackened shrimp tacos. You can always go back to episode 1 to see how we made the guacamole. And please feel free to leave any comments or any questions. And if you're curious to learn a dish that we haven't showed yet, just leave it in the comments and we'll try to get to it and do it maybe in the next episode. Thank you so much.